Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download Windows 11 disk image bootable ISO in your PC from Microsoft's official website. You just have to open any browser like Chrome or Opera, and then you have to type Windows 11 ISO, and then after clicking on search you can see Microsoft's official website. Download Windows 11, and then you have to slightly scroll down, and here you have option download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x86 devices. You have to note down that Windows 11 ISO is only available for 64-bit based processor. It will not work on 32-bit processor. Now I will click on select download, and here Windows 11 multi edition ISO. I will click on this, and then I will click on download now. Here we have an option to select product language. You can choose it according to your convenience. I will select on English International, and then hit on confirm. Now here we can say download Windows 11 English International option. Here we have option to download 64-bit ISO. So I will click on the option available here, 64-bit download, and then after clicking, within few seconds download will start, as you can see.